Confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you can develop and nurture. So whether you're looking to boost your self-esteem, gain more self-assurance, or improve your overall confidence, we've got you covered with these 10 effective tips and tricks. Number 1. Self-reflection. It's crucial to understand where you are in terms of your confidence level. Take some time to self-reflect and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing yourself is the first step towards building confidence. Number 2. Set achievable goals. Start with small, attainable goals and gradually work your way up. Achieving these goals will boost your confidence and motivate you to tackle bigger challenges. Tip number 3. Practice positive self-talk. Be your biggest cheerleader. Replace self-doubt with positive affirmations and watch how your self-esteem soars. Tip number 4. Dress for success. The way you dress can have a significant impact on your confidence. Dressing well and feeling good about your appearance can give you that extra boost of confidence. Tip number 5. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain good posture, make good eye contact, and use open, welcoming gestures. Good body language not only makes you appear confident but can actually make you feel more confident. Tip number 6. Preparation. Whether it's a presentation, a job interview, or any other task, being well prepared is key to confidence. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Tip number 7. Embrace failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Every failure is a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes and use them to fuel your confidence. Tip number 8. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Negative influences can erode your confidence, so choose your company wisely. Tip number 9. Continuous learning. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more confident you'll become. So never stop learning and expanding your horizons. Tip number 10. Take care of yourself. Physical and mental health are closely tied to confidence. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper rest all contribute to a confident, healthy you. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but the results are absolutely worth it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content.